Phraya Nakhon cave in Roi Yot National Park. This is Sophia's first trip here, first hiking trip. So we're going to do the boat. We never did the boat. There is a walkway that you can go over the mountain there to the beach on the other side, but this time we're going to take a boat, which we've never done before, or I've never done before. So it's 400 baht anyway if you want to get a boat. So let's go and get on the boat. So yes, this boat, it goes around the bay to a beach where there is a campsite, but it's closed at the moment. There's only one campsite open in the national park at the moment. Go on, you get in. Yeah. Some, take the shoes please, put them on there. Thank you, and all that. Thank you. Take everything, put them on there. Thank you. Okay, we're in. Okay, here we are. So that was interesting. Good job, Sophia. Good job. She's happy now. She's off the boat. Okay. So here we go. We'll start our hike up now to Phraya Nakhon cave. Ooh. Here we go. So here we are. This is Sophia's first hike. She's doing very well. Aren't you, Sophia? She'll need a drink of water in a minute. There's some, no. So it's a 430 metre hike up to the entrance of the cave, and then you descend into the cave. So, are you tired yet, Sophia? No. Oh, you want to do some yourself? Okay, go on then. You can go and do a bit yourself. Let's hike. Be careful. Oh, good girl. You're doing very well. This way. Up the step. That's it, Sophia. Good job. Oh, wow. Oh, be careful. It's slippy. Oh, good girl. There you go. She's a professional. Unlike your father. Okay, up. Oh, kneeling down. Come on then. Be careful. Take a hand, mummy. There. She wants to climb a couple herself. Oh, there they go. Good job. So here's a little rest station. I think it's about halfway or just over halfway. Fantastic views. Fantastic views of the Gulf of Thailand there. No. That's it, drink some water, Sophia. Oh, that's it. She's doing very well on her first hike. So we'll be descending into the cave shortly. So looking forward to that. It's very hot and there's a lot of mosquitoes out today. Okay, so let's crack up. Okay, so here we are. We're just entering the chamber. So it's Phraya Nakhon cave in the Roi Yot. It's so this is a royal pavilion. in the cave. So usually as well, this cave is illuminated by a ray of sun. You get some spectacular colours. Around about 11 a.m. It's 10:25 a.m. at the moment, but there's not really much sun today. It's a cloudy day, so it's probably not going to be illuminated like it usually is. But very famous cave in Thailand, this one. And beautiful. So this Royal Pavilion was put here in memory of the late king who visited here. So people come and pay their respects here as well. But it's a beautiful cave. Beautiful. It's nice and cool down here now. And Sophia made it. Sophia made it. 430-meter hike. Well, it was her first hike. And this is her first camping trip. Camping, so and she didn't like being carried. She wanted to walk most of it herself, so which is good. Which is good for when we do 1,200-meter hikes. Be careful, Sophia, don't run. So this is it. This is Phraya Nakhon Cave. Absolutely beautiful. Sam, did you like the hike?
No.
Sam does not like hiking. Basically because it's too hot for her. And she prefers if she could do hiking with air conditioning, she'd love it. So there you go. So unfortunately we don't have the beam of sunlight hitting the pavilion, but oh well. So this is the second time I've been here now, and I missed the beam. So I suppose like you've got to, at the moment it's rainy season, so it's pretty cloudy. So you've got to pick your time. I suppose like between December and May is probably going to be the best time. But yeah, it's a beautiful big cave. So we're going to relax now. We're going to relax, have some water here, have a look around and rest before we hike out.